Hey pros, Crystal here from Elite Hair Care USA. So today you guys are in for a treat. My two daughters have decided that they are going to narrate this video for you guys. So you guys sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. And please be kind in the comments because they're my daughters and I will block.
Hey bros, so today we're doing someone's hair. We're going to be doing a wash and trim. And the hair right now is very we have to cut a little bit, but we should be fine. It will take a little bit of work. So right now, mommy's shaving it. I think that she's shaving it using hedge clippers, and we're going to just shave a little bit of the back and just straighten up the line at the bottom. Just combing it out now. Then she's using her scissors, I think, to level it and give her layers. Yes, girl. Now we're just going to give her a semi-bob. We're going to part the hair a little bit, and then we're also going to keep parting the hair. And then after about 8 years, we're going to give her my type of trim that I give my Barbie dolls sometimes when I'm bored. And then we're going to just keep trimming layers and layers and layers until finally we have the results that we're okay with. So today we're using the Empress collection. It's on sale for $10 today, I think. So we're gonna start washing her, putting water in her hair. And then mommy's gonna put the soap in and she's gonna wash it out. She washes our hair, I think. And then after she washes her hair, she's going to show the products to everyone. And then she's going to give a nice scrub-a-dub-dub, wash in the tub. And she's going to make sure she scrubs the head very nicely. So now, Mommy's using the B7 Beyond conditioner, which I love. And then she's gonna do another scrub-a-dub-dub and wash in the tub. And then she is going to, of course, detangle the hair now. As you can see, there are not many tangles, so it didn't take much. And then she's going to rinse out the conditioner with cold water. So now we're gonna start by detangling her hair, and then Mommy's gonna start putting the Elite Silk Rock Foam in her hair, which makes it really smooth. Then she's going to just put it down softly, and as she's putting it down, she is also going to swoop it, as you should do to your edges sometimes. Then she is also going to use a comb, and she is going to slightly, very slightly, touch the hair and swoop and swoop and swoop until she just can't swoop anymore. And then she's still swooping. She is now just putting on little pieces of parchment paper, and she is putting it all around the head just to make sure the hair dries and stays down, like those edges. Now she's all dry. We're going to use our hedge clip. Yeah, edge clippers, and then she's going to just tighten up all of the little spots that we missed before. As you can see, the hair is very shiny because we use her products. Yes. So now we're styling her hair. We are going to be doing a very popular style that our mom does a lot. This style does not take much, but please be careful doing this style. As I've told you, I've tried this on my Barbie doll and her hair fell off. So you're going to take a flat iron and a comb, and you're going to just go part by part and make a nice little swoop. And then you're just going to keep on doing that around the hair until you're all done. So now, we're going to use her hedge clippers to fix the hairline and make it look pretty. As you can see, it's giving very much early 2000s, but she will fix that, don't worry. As you can see also, there are waves in the back of her head, which is amazing because it's not very often you'll see waves. It's a very nice design. Then Mommy's going to, comb it down to make it look pretty and do the swoop again. And then line it up a little bit more and then go back in with a little swoop again. And guys, just make sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe if you like our voiceover. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. Bye!